Nothing like souping up one of these Harbor Freight electric pressure washers. So we got it hooked up to the Variac. We got an extra 20 volts. What a big deal. But here, we're going to hear the difference from 120. Let's see if we can see it. So we're going to turn it down to 120. There we go, whatever. So you hear it going. Alright, we're going to give it the full 140. Alright. Let's see here. Oh yeah. So much more. I tell you, it's an extra 20 volts. Well, shoot, I can just hook it up to this good old 120 to 240 conversion box. Not really. It's just hooked up to straight 240 right there. So we'll just turn off 30 amps of freedom, and then we're going to plug it into this box. This, you can cut the zip tie, unplug that, plug in my cord from outside that goes all the way around over to the backyard. Our black electrical extension cord going over here out the window. My electrical connectors. Yeah, that's what I thought. Disconnect the Variac and just hook it up to straight 240. So we're going to disconnect this. Let's make sure this is off. Turn that off. And we're going to just undo that. Undo that. And then we're going to take this cord over to this box here. So, back at the breaker panel here. Let's see what happens. Well, that's good. It didn't blow. So, alright. So, this is going to be the Harbor Freight pressure washer on 240. Oh, snap. Let's see what happens. Oh, yeah. Oh. Wow. It doesn't sound very good. I don't know. What? It's just not very happy. It's not happy. Let's just plug it into regular house electricity. 120. Let's see here. Let's see. Unplug that. Plug it in here. Well, maybe. Oh, it's happy now. It's happy now. So let's see if it'll work. Let's see here. Whoa, it's still working. Harbor Freight pressure washer hooked up to 240. Let's see what it sounds like. Come on. Well, let's see if I can get the camera to... Come on. Come on. Alright, let's hook it back up to 120. Well, snap. It doesn't work anymore.